The story of the refrigerator. Once upon a time, many years ago, people had a big problem. They could not keep their food fresh for a long time. In those days, there were no refrigerators. Food like meat, milk, and vegetables would spoil and go bad very quickly. People tried many things to keep their food fresh. They put their food in cold water, in ice, or in the basement, where it was cooler. But this was not enough. They needed a better way to keep food cold. The problem with food. In the 1800s, before the invention of the refrigerator, families had a hard time storing food. In summer, the weather was very hot, and food would spoil in just a few hours. People had to buy fresh food every day, and they could not store milk, meat, or fish for long. This was a big problem, especially for large families and people who lived far from the market. In some places, people used ice boxes. These were big wooden boxes where they put large blocks of ice. The ice kept the food cool for a few days, but when the ice melted, the food started to spoil again. It was not a good solution. The dream of a better way. Many people dreamed of finding a better way to keep food cold. Scientists and inventors thought about how to solve this problem. One of these inventors was a man named Jacob Perkins. Jacob was a smart and curious man. He was born in the United States in 1766. He loved to build machines and create new things. The first refrigerator. In the year 1834, Jacob Perkins built the first refrigerator. It was not like the refrigerators we have today. His refrigerator was a small machine that used a special gas to make things cold. Jacob called it the cooling machine. This was a very big invention because it was the first time someone made a machine that could keep things cold for a long time. The people were surprised. They had never seen anything like this before. They could not believe that a machine could make food cold without using ice. It seemed like magic. But Jacob Perkins was a very smart inventor. He knew that this invention could change people's lives. How it worked. Jacob's refrigerator used a special gas called ether. He put this gas inside a tube. When the gas moved through the tube, it made the air cold. This cold air could cool down the food. It was a simple idea, but it worked very well. The food stayed fresh for a longer time. People were very excited about this new machine. A new era begins. In the next few years, many other inventors started to work on the refrigerator. They wanted to make it better and easier to use. In 1844, an American doctor named John Gorrie built a machine that made ice. He wanted to use the ice to cool the rooms of his patients who were sick with fever. John Gorrie believed that cold air could help sick people get better faster. John Gorrie's ice-making machine was very important. It showed people that machines could be used to make ice and keep things cold. This idea was new, and it changed the way people thought about cooling. People's reaction. At first, people were confused and even a little scared. They could not understand how a machine could make things cold. Some people thought it was dangerous because it used special gases. But slowly, they started to see how useful it was. They realized that with a refrigerator, they could keep their food fresh for many days. They no longer had to worry about food spoiling in the summer heat. Families were very happy. They could store milk, butter, and meat for longer. It saved them a lot of money because they did not have to throw away spoiled food. Restaurants and shops also loved the refrigerator because they could keep their food fresh and serve their customers better meals. The refrigerator becomes popular. By the late 1800s, more people started to use refrigerators. They were still very different from the ones we have today. They were big and used large blocks of ice to keep things cool. But inventors continued to work hard to make them smaller, cheaper, and safer. In 1913, a man named Fred W. Wolf built the first electric refrigerator. This was a very big step forward. It used electricity to make the air cold, so it did not need ice anymore. People loved this new invention. The electric refrigerator was small enough to fit in a kitchen, and it was easy to use. In the 1920s, a company named Frigidaire started to make and sell electric refrigerators to families. They were very popular, and soon almost every home in the United States had a refrigerator. A big change in daily life. The refrigerator changed the way people lived. Before the refrigerator, families had to buy fresh food every day. They could not keep leftovers for the next day, and they had to be careful about storing milk and meat. But with the refrigerator, they could store food safely for many days. It saved time and made life much easier. People could buy food in larger amounts, which was cheaper. They could keep ice cream and cold drinks in the house, which was a big treat in the summer. The refrigerator became one of the most important inventions of the 20th century. The refrigerator today. Today, almost every home has a refrigerator. The modern refrigerator is much better than the old ones. It uses safe gases and does not need ice. It can keep food cold and even make ice cubes. Many refrigerators now have freezers, where people can keep food frozen for months. We cannot imagine our lives without a refrigerator. It helps us keep our food fresh, save money, and enjoy cold drinks and ice cream. The invention of the refrigerator was a very important step in making our lives easier and better. The legacy of Jacob Perkins. Jacob Perkins is known as the father of the refrigerator. His invention started a revolution in how we store food. Even though his first cooling machine was small and simple, it showed the world that it was possible to keep things cold without using ice. Many people improved his idea over the years, but it all started with Jacob Perkins' clever invention in 1834. Thanks to him and other inventors, we have the refrigerators we use today. We can keep our food fresh and safe, and we can enjoy cold drinks on a hot day. And that is the story of the refrigerator. It is a story of smart inventors, big dreams, and a very cool idea that changed the world. I hope you enjoyed learning about how this amazing invention came to be. Remember, every time you open your refrigerator to get a snack, you are using a machine that took many years and many clever people to create. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something new today. If you liked this story, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy English stories.